Hi, my name's Hugh from the Mini Specialist, and today I'm going to take you around this 2013 Mini One Automatic. Before we look at this, let me show you what we do. So this is our showroom, full of Minis. And this is our service workshop. We have 3 ramps, and this is where we do all the mechanical work. So this is our body shop. We have a full-size spray booth, and then down this side we've got 2 prep bays. And this is our spares department. Let's get back to the car in hand. So this is a 2013 Mini One. The One means it's a lower insurance group, and it's an automatic, and it's only done 31,500 miles. Let me show you around. The bodywork is very good. The bonnet, I think, is near perfect. Now, we put these wheels on. The car, when it was new, only had steel wheels. But we put these 17-inch wheels on. They've been refurbished, and these are run flat tyres, and it really sets it matches the colour well. It sets it off beautifully, I think. Just stepping back, you can see what I mean. Now, coming down the side of the car, I don't believe there's any car parking dents down here. We are in good condition. Very low mileage, 13 plate car this. Coming around the back, the bumper is in excellent condition, and open up the boot, it's all pretty clean in there. Now coming down this side, all the tyres are in very good shape, all the wheels are refurbished. The side of this car is undented, unmarked, looking pretty decent. Again, good tyre and refurbished wheel. Here we are back around the front. Let's have a look on the inside. So view from the driver's seat, it's all pretty tidy in here. All been recently cleaned as well. As I said, automatic gearbox, and let's start the car. So the car only comes with one key, I'm afraid, and this is it. You put the key into the slot there, press the brake and press the button, and the car starts up. And as you expect, it's very quiet. For the mileage, which is today, is 31499. Car's air conditioning has just been regassed, and what else? We can go through the service menu here. So that button on the end is, I'm just cycling through that by pressing that and set info. Press and hold set info, and here we go. So check service info. Press and hold that. Now the brake fluid change is due in October 23. Oil has just been changed, so it's not due for a long time, 21,000 miles. Major inspection just been done, 37,000 miles, it's next due. Front brakes just been done, due in 37,000. Rear brakes just been done, again due in 37,000, and that's the service menu. The gearbox is sweet, 6-speed, that's reverse, neutral, and drive, and that's repeated up here so you know what gear you're in. And that's more or less it, I think. I mean, we've got a decent radio, standard on the Minis. It does not have Bluetooth phone, that's just a button. It does not have Bluetooth on the telephone. It's a fairly basic spec car, but in good condition, as you have seen. So in summary then, it's a 2013 Mini One Automatic, 31,500 miles since new. It's full history, just been serviced. It's had new brakes all round, obviously oil change, etc, etc. Come along, have a look, drive it, see what you think. The car does come with a 12-month RAC warranty as well as our 12-month cam chain guarantee. Thank you for watching.